Hello everyone, welcome back to Auto Trend TV. Today I would like to talk about the newly unveiled Ford Bronco family of rugged off-road vehicles. The 2021 Ford Bronco family includes a classic two-door and first ever four-door model along with the Bronco Sport small urban SUV. The all 4x4 Bronco brand is built wild and ready to deliver thrilling experiences with its heritage-inspired styling, engineering and smart off-road technology, plus innovative features to help outdoor enthusiasts create adventures in the most remote corners of the world. Ford Bronco owners can choose from an extensive lineup of more than 200 factory-baked accessories for maximum personalization, enabling dealers to provide outfitting on demand for each customer's individual adventure needs. Just like the first generation Bronco nicknamed GOAT, the mission of the all-new 2021 Bronco is to deliver maximum 4x4 go anywhere, anytime capability and confidence. Up to 7 driver-selectable modes are offered, including normal, eco, sport, slippery and sand with Baja, mud and rock crawl for off-road driving. 2 4-wheel drive systems are offered on all Bronco models, a base setup and an advanced 4x4. The base system utilizes a 2-speed electronic shift-on-the-fly transfer case, while the optional advanced system features a 2-speed electromechanical transfer case that adds an auto mode for on-demand engagement to select between 2 high and 4 high. Power is distributed to a Dana 44 Advantech solid rear axle and Dana Advantech independent front differential unit, both with available Spicer Performa-Track electronic locking differentials for improved traction over rough terrain. The Ford Bronco range also offers trail control, cruise control for low-speed trail driving, while Trail Turn Assist tightens off-road turning radiuses through torque vectoring, and the innovative Trail one-pedal drive makes for more precise and confident slow-mode rock crawling. The Bronco range provides best-in-class 11.6-inch ground clearance, maximum 29-degree breakover angle, and 37.2-degree departure angle. It also offers best-in-class water-fording capability of up to 33.5 inches. Like the larger Bronco, the all-new Bronco Sport delivers the 4-wheel drive off-road capability that made the original Bronco a legend. The Badlands and the first edition models pack an advanced 4-wheel drive system with a class-exclusive twin-clutch rear drive unit with a differential lock feature to allow greater off-road performance. An available class-exclusive front off-road camera with lens washer serves as a spotter and helps provide better visibility of the trail ahead, displaying the video on the center stack mounted touchscreen. The all-new Ford Bronco's architecture is based on a fully boxed high-strength steel chassis that delivers available best-in-class suspension travel. Every Bronco comes with an independent front suspension for improved control, confidence and comfort. At the rear, a rugged solid axle design featuring coil springs with 5 locating links delivers both strength and off-road control. An available segment-exclusive semi-active hydraulic stabilizer bar disconnect design provides maximum articulation and increased ramp angle index for off-camber terrain. Segment first 35-inch off-road tires direct from the factory are available on every trim level of 2 and 4-door Bronco, while the Bronco Sport small SUV comes as standard with 28.5-inch all-terrain tires on the Badlands series, and the first edition comes standard with 29-inch all-terrain off-road tires. The new Ford Bronco 2 and 4-door models make the open-air experience quick, easy and fun. 2-door models come with a standard 3-section roof system, left and right front sections and a rear section molded in color. 4-door models have 4 removable roof sections, left and right front panels, a full-width center panel and a rear section. The roof panels on all models can be removed by one person by unlocking the latches from the interior. A cloth soft top standard on 4-door models provides easy access to the open air and a unique tilt-up function for quick access to the rear cargo area. Every Bronco comes with class-exclusive frameless doors that make them easier to remove than what competitors offer. On 4-door Bronco models, all 4 doors can be stored on board with protective door bags. Exclusive cowl-mounted mirrors maintain side view visibility when the doors are removed. Trail sights on the front fenders also serve as tie-downs, reminiscent of the first generation Bronco, having a 150-pound capacity for securing longer items like canoes. While the smaller Bronco Sport may not have the option of removing the roof and doors, but still it offers a flip glass rear window, low load floor cargo area, overlanding ready roof rack with capacity to make rooftop tent camping easy, and front fender peaks that allow the driver to see the corners of the vehicle easily from behind the wheel. The Bronco Sport also offers an innovative slide-out working table, part of the available 5-way configurable cargo management system, plus a class-exclusive 400-watt inverter and liftgate flood lamps that illuminates up to 129 square feet. In terms of engines, the Ford Bronco 2-door and 4-door models come as standard with a 2.3-liter EcoBoost engine, which produces 270 horsepower and 310 pound-feet of torque. This engine is available with a segment-first 7-speed manual transmission paired with the available advanced 4-wheel drive system with automatic on-demand engagement. The other engine option is the V6 2.7-liter EcoBoost engine, which produces 310 horsepower and 400 pound-feet of torque. This engine is available only with a 10-speed automatic transmission paired to the available advanced 4-wheel drive transfer case. The smaller Bronco Sport model, on the other hand, is available with a 1.5-liter EcoBoost engine producing 181 horsepower and 190 pound-feet of torque. However, the Badlands and First Edition series are powered by a 2-liter EcoBoost engine that produces a best-in-class 245 horsepower and a torque figure of 275 pound-feet. In terms of interiors, all the Bronco models are purpose-built and ready for action. The instrument panel is inspired by the first-generation model with gauges and controls clearly visible. Colors and materials are inspired by natural palettes and outdoor gear. With off-road functionality paramount, materials are tough and rugged. A multifunction color LCD instrument panel is front and center with the transmission shifter and the GOAT modes controller in the center console. Attachment points are built into the instrument panel to mount a bring-your-own-device rack with 12-volt power connections to easily mount cameras, navigation units, phones or other devices. The 2-door and 4-door Broncos also offer a segment-exclusive 12-inch Sync 4 system with over-the-air updates and seamless integration to the Ford Pass Performance app with off-road navigation. This system also includes the available 360-degree surround view camera with class-exclusive off-road spotter views to provide additional visibility in technical pursuits such as rock crawling. The smaller Bronco Sport, on the other hand, offers an 8-inch Sync 3 system with Android Auto, Apple CarPlay and Amazon Alexa compatibility. The Bronco family's advanced topographic trail maps and more than 1,000 curated trail maps are powered by class-exclusive trail content from Neotrek's Accuterra Maps, Trail Off-Road Trail Guides and Fun Treks Trail Guides. To make post-adventure cleanup simple, fast and painless, select Bronco models come with washable rubberized floors with integrated drains and marine-grade vinyl seating surfaces that resist mildew. Instrument panel surfaces are wipeable with seamless silicone rubber on the dash-mounted hero switches, while rubber touch points protect against dirt and water. 6 available upfitter switches mounted overhead are silicone sealed to protect against elements and to make customization easy with pre-wired leads to key accessory points. In terms of safety, a modern high-strength steel roll cage with integrated side curtain airbags in the upper section and seats helps protect passengers from side impacts and complements driver and front passenger airbags. Available Ford Co-Pilot 360 driver assist technologies plus standard advanced Trek with roll stability control and trailer sway control help instill driver confidence. The Ford Co-Pilot 360 includes pre-collision assist with automatic emergency braking featuring pedestrian detection, forward collision warning and dynamic brake support, blind spot information system with cross-traffic alert, lane keeping system, auto high beam headlamps and a rear view camera. It also includes adaptive cruise control with stop and go and lane centering, evasive steering assist and voice-activated touchscreen navigation. Just like the original Ford Bronco, the 2021 Ford Bronco 2-door, 4-door and the Bronco Sport will be built at Michigan Assembly Plant in Wayne, Michigan. Reservations for the Bronco 2-door, 4-door and the Bronco Sport models can be made for $100, with the vehicles expected to arrive in dealerships later this year. So that was all about the 2021 new Ford Bronco family. Do let me know in the comment section below what do you think about this new generation of Ford Bronco SUVs. Meanwhile, this is Viprajesh signing off. See you on another video. Thank you for watching.